Hello, everyone. My name is Wendy Scripps, and I'm the Program Manager for Student Recruitment with the UAB School of Health Professions. Thanks so much for taking the time to check out this video. I hope it answers all your questions. This is probably my favorite slide to show students. One of the first things I'm always asked is, what are the job opportunities going to be when I graduate? The future is healthcare, my friends. If you are interested in working in healthcare, whether that's from a direct patient care perspective, like a doctor or a nurse or a physician assistant, or if that's that behind the scenes working in healthcare management, insurance companies, research, there are tons of opportunities out there, and those opportunities are just going to continue to grow. Now, there's a lot of reasons why this is happening, but one of the biggest reasons has to do with our baby boomer population. This is an aging population that's just going to continue to demand more healthcare services, as well as the fact that we're a preventative society. So preventative medicine is going to continue to grow as well. Now, here at UAB in the School of Health Professions, we have state-of-the-art facilities. Everything is specialized and personalized around students. We have a learning resource center that provides students not only access to various types of office equipment, but it's also set up for students to check out different rooms if they want to have like a study group, or they can do a single room just for themselves, or they can have some quiet study time, as well as all the other little cubbies that we have kind of hidden throughout the building that offer a great study space for our students. In addition to that, we also have an executive learning center as well as simulation labs. So there's going to continue to be growth within our building as we continue to meet the needs of our students. Now, School of Health Professions offers an undergraduate research program. This is in addition to the university's undergraduate research program. Our individual program for our students offers a variety of opportunities. Students can have individual mentorship opportunities, team-based experiences, and the great thing is you're not just doing this as an extracurricular. This helps you to earn some college credit, and we even have some certifications available for our students. The School of Health Professions offers an honors program for our students. Now, again, this is in addition to UAB's Honors College. So students as incoming freshmen can be offered an option to join the UAB Honors College. Once you become a junior through the School of Health Professions, we would then offer you the option to participate in the School of Health Professions Honors Program. So great opportunities for students to graduate both with university honors as well as their individual program honors. I work in the Office of Student Recruitment, Engagement, and Success. We do a lot of different things for our students. We make sure that we have all the campus referrals on hand. So if a student comes in and you're interested in, hey, where do I get counseling services or disability support services, then we're able to provide you with those specialized referrals. We also support the individual student groups throughout the School of Health Professions, and scholarships come out of our office. For students in the School of Health Professions, we have special scholarships for our students once they receive a UAB GPA. So for example, if you started in fall, you would be eligible for your scholarships in spring semester. And we offer those scholarships every semester, fall, spring, and summer. And these are stackable with anything you get from undergraduate admissions or anything you get through BSmart, which is our scholarship portal. Here is the list of our undergraduate programs. We have healthcare management. Now, this is a bachelor's degree that is really set up for students who are interested in the business side of healthcare. It's also perfect if you're interested in going on into different types of professional schools. For example, we have some students who were healthcare management pre-law, went on to law school, but they chose healthcare management as their bachelor's degree because they had an interest in healthcare law and healthcare policy. We also offer this degree 100% online, or in a blended format of online classes and on-campus classes. So great degree for students. Many of our students end up, once they complete this program, going straight into the workforce in those mid to upper level management positions. We offer an early acceptance and fast track with our graduate program in health informatics. And we also offer that with our occupational therapy program. Now, right now, this program is on hold because we are doing some transitioning with our OT program, but this will be back as an option very soon. The second bachelor's degree that we offer is biomedical sciences. Now, this is a clinical, human-based natural science program, and it is perfect if you're interested in going to medical school, dental school, optometry, pharmacy school. It's even perfect for students who are interested in veterinarian medicine. A large majority of our students in this program are going into one of those professional programs, or they're planning on still studying at the graduate level, things like genetic counseling, physical therapy, nuclear medicine technology, occupational therapy, those types of things. Again, we offer fast tracks and early acceptances through this program in our graduate level clinical laboratory sciences, nuclear medicine technology, as well as biotechnology. The next program that we offer for undergraduate students is through our early acceptance into our Doctorate of Physical Therapy program. Now, this is a great program for students. We take anywhere from 10 to 20 students every fall semester. You have to be an incoming freshman who's wanting to do physical therapy. You can select any bachelor's degree that you would like while you're in this program. We strongly encourage students to look at our biomedical sciences program as well as our healthcare management program. Specifically, if you're interested in getting your own practice one day, having that healthcare management background will definitely be helpful. Now, you do have to apply for this after you've been admitted to UAB. Students must have a 3.5 or higher overall GPA and a 29 or higher ACT to apply for this program. You will go through an application process, an interview process to determine if we can bring you into this program. So while it doesn't cut off any time for students, you still have to complete the 4-year bachelor's degree. And then the physical therapy program is a 3-year doctoral program. It does cut off stress. You don't have to worry as you start coming up on your junior year of college of, oh no, I got to apply for graduate school. I got to do this. You're already in the program. So this is a great one if you know that you're really interested in physical therapy. Another amazing program that we participate in with our biomedical sciences students is the UAB Teach program through our School of Education. This is an opportunity for students to get not only their bachelor's degree in biomedical sciences, but also their teaching certification at the high school level. Biomedical science students who complete this program are eligible to teach any science course. We currently have several students who have completed this program and are teaching locally in the Birmingham, Jefferson County, and Shelby County area. We have one student in particular who is going to continue teaching for another year or so. Then he's going to apply to med school. We have another student who actually fell in love with teaching once they got into, their employment. And so that student's actually going to go back and they're going to do a master's in education. So great program if you're not sure what you want to do, or maybe you just want a backup plan. School of Health Professions offers 4 individual undergraduate minors for students. Obviously, we have that in our biomedical sciences program and our healthcare management program, but we also offer a minor in health information management as well as nutrition sciences. Now at UAB, we do not currently offer a nutrition bachelor's degree. We offer that at the graduate and PhD level. So if you're really interested in working in nutrition sciences or eventually going to graduate school for nutrition sciences, we strongly encourage students to complete this minor because it's going to have all those undergraduate course prerequisites that you will need to apply to those graduate programs. So these are the graduate programs we offer within the School of Health Professions. But before we get into that, I always like to show this slide because I get asked the question all the time, hey, Miss Wendy, I want to go to med school. What bachelor's degree do I do? What do I major in? What degree is the best one for me to choose to be able to get into med school? And the answer is you can pick any bachelor's degree. Medical schools, pharmacy schools, those types of programs, they don't require a specific degree. What they are looking for is individual undergraduate course prerequisites. So there's some specific classes that you have to take at the bachelor's level to be able to apply to these programs. Now, there may be some other prerequisite requirements for graduate schools like job shadowing, internships, direct patient care experiences, volunteer experiences, and those types of things. But at the end of the day, you can select any bachelor's degree that you would like, as long as you're working with your academic advisor to ensure that you're getting those undergraduate course prerequisites for your future educational goals. Now, you will have to have at least a 3.0 GPA. That's super easy, guys. That's a B. Obviously, the higher the GPA, the more competitive of an applicant that you will be, but a 3.0 is going to be the minimum. Testing. We all want to talk about testing. What do we have to have? Which test scores are required to be able to get into graduate programs? There's several different ones depending on what your program of choice is. For example, there's the GRE. That's kind of like the ACT, but for graduate school. The MCAT is required of medical school. There's several other ones that students may have to take, but there are some programs that do not require testing at all. And some that do require testing may even offer the opportunity for a student to complete a waiver so they won't have to take one of the graduate school tests. And sometimes that's based on things like GPA or your undergraduate degree, but it never hurts to ask and see. So this will just give you a little guide to know, hey, going in as an incoming freshman, I know what my goals are to get into graduate school. Here's some things I need to be keeping mindful of as I go through that process. In the School of Health Professions, Clinical and Diagnostic Sciences, we offer several different master's degrees. We have our Biomedical and Health Sciences, Biotechnology, Clinical Laboratory Sciences, Genetic Counseling, Health Physics, Nuclear Medicine Technology, as well as Physician Assistant, or sometimes students just call that PA. So some of these degrees are direct patient care focused, like PA, genetic counseling. And then some of the other ones, like clinical laboratory sciences, that's more behind the scenes. That is going to be lab work, diagnostics, where you are testing the different specimens to help doctors determine what the treatment options need to be, what the diagnosis is. So lots of different opportunities within our clinical and diagnostic sciences program. In case you did not know, UAB's School of Health Professions Masters in Health Administration is ranked #1 in the United States. I always like to show this slide for two reasons. One, we're super proud that we're #1. We were #2 way too long. So now that we're #1, we're putting it out there and telling everybody. The second reason is a lot of students will see this on our social media or some of our web pages, and I always like to explain what it means to students. So great program that we offer at the master's level. Now, our master's in health administration does not require a GRE. We also offer a master's in health informatics, healthcare quality and safety, and healthcare simulation. None of those will require a GRE as well, and if they do, you can apply for a waiver. The healthcare quality and safety and healthcare simulation are also available 100% online for students. And then at the doctoral level, we offer a PhD and a DSc. Nutrition sciences. We offer this at the master's level as well as the PhD level. Now, if you are coming into UAB as an incoming freshman, again, we highly recommend that you complete the nutrition sciences minor, because it's going to give you all those undergraduate prerequisite courses that you need to apply to the nutrition science program. There are several different tracks within nutrition sciences that you can choose from. You know, a lot of students talk to me about sports medicine. They're very interested in working in sports medicine. And I always like to share that sports medicine is not a degree. It's an umbrella. And there are tons of healthcare jobs within sports medicine. For example, medical doctors, physical therapists, nutritionists, surgeons, nurses. There's a ton of different opportunities underneath the sports medicine realm, and nutrition sciences is one of them. Students in this program will have opportunities to work with UAB athletics, in which they can provide internship opportunities for our students where you can go out, you can work with the athletes, teaching them what kind of foods they need to be eating to fuel their body in order to perform their individual athletics. So great opportunities within our nutrition science. If you're interested in research, if you're interested in disease prevention, lots of opportunities there. We also offer that at the PhD level, and this PhD does not require a master's degree first. You can actually complete a bachelor's degree and then apply to this PhD program. Occupational therapy. Now at UAB, we offer that at the master's level right now. However, this is the program I was talking about earlier that's transitioning. We are moving to an occupational therapy doctorate program only. That's going to happen in the next couple of years, and we are going to have that fast track with our healthcare management program. So keep an eye out on that if you're really interested in working in our occupational therapy field. Lots of opportunities for these students to do volunteer work, as well as to getting in some great clinical experiences. One of the fun things that our students do every summer is they host an OT magic camp where they work with youth who have disabilities, teaching them different ways to perform different tasks in a fun environment and in a fun way. They truly do make it magical. So occupational therapy, great program at UAB. And of course, we have physical therapy. Now, physical therapy at UAB is only offered at the doctoral level. So this is a 3-year program. It is perfect for students to come straight in after they complete their bachelor's degree, roll right into that PT program, finish it up in 3 years, and you'll have that doctorate of physical therapy. Again, we do have that as an early acceptance program that I had talked about earlier for students to come in as incoming freshmen already admitted into this program. Now, if you don't go through the early acceptance program and you choose the traditional route, you just complete your bachelor's degree and the other prerequisites for this program. And typically it's during your junior year when you'll apply to our physical therapy program. Now, we also offer a PhD in rehab sciences if that's something you're interested in as well. Our graduate programs have several different certificates. So even if you haven't selected one of our graduate-based programs, whether that's at the master's level or the PhD level, we also offer certificates for our students with our applications of mixed methods research, biotechnology, regulatory affairs, the clinical informatics, our healthcare quality and safety. If you are currently an occupational therapist and you'd be interested in our low vision rehab certificate, and then we also have a research technician certificate available. Do you have any questions for me? If so, there is my email. It is wscripps@uab.edu. Please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to schedule an individual Zoom appointment with you, or we could do a personal phone call, whatever's going to work out best for you. I strongly encourage you also to check out our website just for some more in-depth information about our program. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I appreciate you taking the time today to listen to my presentation, and I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day and go Blazers!